What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are making these scrumptious banana nut muffins. Seriously, you guys, I'm not a baker at all, but these are so easy, even I can't make this up. I found this recipe on a blog called It Doesn't Taste Like Chicken, and I'll link the blog below for the recipe. Okay, we're gonna kick this off with our dry ingredients. You will need 1.5 cups of flour, 3/4 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Mix it all up. Next are our wet ingredients. Mash up 2 ripe bananas. Then add in 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 3/4 cup of almond milk, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract, and mix it all up. Next, you will add chunks of banana. Next, we're adding 1/2 cup of chopped walnuts and mixing this in. Next, you will start to slowly add in your dry ingredients while you continue to stir. Oil up your muffin tin and using a large scoop or ice cream scooper, start filling up the pan with your batter. Place them in the oven at 400 degrees for 22 minutes. Y'all, these are magical. I've been making these for a few years and I absolutely love them. I make them anytime my work is having a bake sale or there's a birthday, etc. Always a home run. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments below what you want to see next. I love y'all and I'll see you next week.